another location. Blues are actually in the bay. There's a lot of bait in the area. So I'm going to see what it's about. And stay tuned.
Ooh, right there. Small. This cocktail in here. This baby in here. It is better than nothing. You are right. Yeah. I thought it was a blue. Little baby stripey. Little baby stripey. Go, little guy. Look at that right there. Herky. They're hey, yo. Herky, they're blitzing in front of you. How do you not see this going on? How do you not see that going on, Herky? How do you not see that going on, Herky? Yo, we about to move out the way because we about to get our ass cracked. Oh, got him. There we go. Oh, I lost him. Oh, I lost him. Herky, hold on. Well, I'm out. Nah, they're not going to crack. No way. They're not going to crack my... Now listen. Yeah, all right. That was crazy.
So as you can see, there was a lot of bait in the area.
Oh,
and,
right
the
there in
peanut
front
bunker
of
were
you.
getting blitzed on like crazy.
He tried to hit you on a low.
The key to catching fish today, we're basically using pencil poppers or regular poppers.
That's cool.
You want to match the hatch. And those peanut bunker were anywhere from like 3 inches to about 5 inches. And if you're able to match the hatch and try to get the size, it makes it a lot easier for you to actually hook up to the fish.
Oh, right there.
Now,
Got me.
this ended up being the last fish I caught that day.
Where you at? Am I over
And
here?
I ended up adding a clip from another video I had recorded
we're good.
fishing
No,
that same location.
Come
So
on,
I hope you enjoyed
Let's
watching my
fish it.
videos.
Don't worry about that.
And please subscribe to my channel.
Don't worry about that. Oh. Take it easy, baby. Take it easy, princess. Take it easy. Oh. Take it easy, princess. Take it easy. Wow. Uh-oh, double header. Triple? We got a triple going on here. It is going down. It is going down. Fish right in front of you, just so you know. Oh, came out. That's cool. I'll take that. That's quick. Go. Got a cocktail blue. Second cast.